sweet.
Now that's sweet. And today we are going to be doing a science experiment for Elisa's class called
Cleaning
Pennies, okay? And we are taking
water, orange juice, vinegar, coffee, and soda to clean my dirty pennies.
So basically, Elisa's going to have to predict which one of these solutions she believes will clean her penny.
What do you think's gonna happen?
What do you think? Let's both predict. So what's your prediction?
I think soda.
So you think soda. Go ahead and write soda because that's your prediction.
Okay.
So first she has to predict which one she thinks is going to clean the most. So she picks soda. I am going to say vinegar. I believe vinegar is going to clean it. You don't have to write mine down because this is for your assignment. And so pick out your dirty pennies. She has a coin purse here. And she is picking out 5 dirty pennies, okay? While she's doing that, I just want to say welcome to the Sweet Life with the 3 Coats of Tears.
Oh,
I am Barika. This is Elise.
Hi.
We're so happy to have you join us this morning. And we're doing something different. We are predominantly a fun family channel that goes on many different adventures, especially Disney adventures. But we like to mix up our videos. Sometimes we'll do home improvement. We'll do science projects, toy reviews, product reviews, and more. So if you like that sort of thing, go ahead and hit the subscription button and go ahead and hit the little bell notification so you do not miss out on any of our fun family content. So that is what I want to say. And if you like this video, hit like at the end, okay?
Yes, please.
Alrighty, we're excited about this project. Because who does not love science? I love science. I love science experiments. It's always been one of my favorite subjects in school.
And if you want to see my last science experiment, go to our channel.
We'll link it down below.
Yes, we will.
Where she did the
Lego balloon.
Yeah, the air balloon.
Hot Lego air balloon.
Yeah, so basically she made a little Lego
My
car.
favorite part was
Wait, let me say the title of it. It's called a balloon powered Lego car. That's what I was trying to say. It's not hot air, but it's a balloon powered Lego car. Okay?
I mean, our air is hot. Our breath is hot.
I'm sure it cooled down.
My
Okay.
favorite part was.
All right, let's get going.
Yeah.
All right.
So I picked out my 5 pens.
So she has 5 pennies. So walk around and place a penny in each one of the liquids. And then you need to write the names of each liquid. So this will be water. This will be OJ. This paper. And so her teacher provided her a sheet with the experiments.
Okay.
No, put them all in. You should have took the whole stack, girl. This girl acts like she can only do one thing at a time. Take the whole stack, please.
Do you think this actually looks like
You're wasting time. They have to go in at the same time. So all of them have to have the same time. That's why you can't walk back around the corner every time you put a coin in. Okay, now they need to sit in there for 10 minutes. So we are going to set our timer for 10 minutes. While we are setting the timer for 10 minutes, Elise is going to write her different liquids. So put water here.
Water here. Right here.
Do all the corresponding. Let's see. Okay. Let me hear. So we'll say it's about 9 minutes right now. Vinegar, V-I-N. Girl, look at how you know. You have to write it out, girl. Okay? Stop taking shortcuts. Put that down. work, then enjoy a beverage.
Yes.
Okay. So basically she's putting her labels, and then she has to draw what the pennies look like before, how dirty they were before, and then she's gonna have to draw how clean they are afterwards. And
vinegar, gar. Vinegar.
I wish we could have just put the dirty pennies and took pictures of it so it would be realistic, because you're not going to be able to really draw. So if you were doing this experiment at home, I say put the pennies down and take a picture of the before, and then do it again for the after pennies.
Yeah,
because it doesn't make sense to, we're going to follow directions for her school, but it doesn't make sense to have them draw the pictures because it's not really realistic for a science project. So we got 6 minutes and 53 seconds.
I'm just gonna draw like a big top hat, because that's Abraham.
Okay.
Baby.
And then draw a couple of dirty spots on there. I don't know how you do that. Okay, good. Yeah, just do the same for each one. Okay. Come on, you can get it. Okay, so hopefully you understood that. They're having her draw the pennies before and after. Place the realistic. For science, we need real evidence. She cannot even draw this picture like she really needs to. So she's gonna do it to follow directions, but when you do your science experiment, use real materials because it makes it more realistic. Now, it looks like the soda is the only one that is really doing something. It's bubbling.
Yes,
Let's show you that.
Like, soda's like, girl.
The rest of them seem to be doing absolutely nothing.
Look at vinegar. Look at vinegar. It's kind of getting it. Look at Ojo.
OJ.
Oh. Science!
Okay. So, you see how this penny has bubbles around it. You can't even see the penny in the coffee, but it looks like there's some film at the top of the coffee.
And neither
the vinegar is surprising me because I would have thought it would have been more bubbly. That was my guess. You can't see the penny in the orange juice, and the penny in the water
will never work.
It's not bubbling either. How do you know? Water is a good cleaning source.
Yeah.
So did you finish? Let's see her artwork. So this is what the paper looks like. She's able to predict. She's drawing her pennies. And you see why I say put the real pennies down. Don't draw it. And then she has to draw it again here. Okay, so you still think soda's gonna win?
Yeah.
So we have about 3 minutes on the clock. And I'm gonna get some paper towel so that we are able to place the pennies here to observe. I wish we would have showed you the pennies before, because that would have been even smarter.
Yeah.
But they were dirty pennies. You know how dirty pennies are. Let me see some of your other pennies.
I got a whole bunch of dirty pennies. Girl, you don't know me. I got dirty pennies.
Right, girl.
Dirty.
We should have did nickels because it seemed like the nickels are more dirtier than the pennies.
Yeah.
Oh, here, see, this is one.
They should have did it.
Did you make sure you picked dirty pennies though?
Dirty.
Like here goes a dirty penny.
Dirty.
Did you do pennies like this? You did a penny like this. Okay.
I did a penny like one side had a shiny part, and then the other side had a rusty.
Okay, so you know how dirty pennies look. Dark, dirty pennies. All of this money is dirty just because we've been touching and other people have been touching it. You write.
Okay.
And don't write big. Erase that. You're not gonna have room. Come on, big girl writing. No more of that little kindergartner writing. You're about to be in 3rd grade. Okay. So this is pretty much how our before pennies looked. Maybe not this one. We'll do it again too with these pennies. Because I really want you to see. Once that thing goes out, we're gonna do it again because I want you to see how the pennies looked before. Okay? So we're gonna actually do it 2 times for the camera. Because you didn't get to see the other ones.
Yeah, they're in the liquid.
So we got 58 seconds left. Who do you think will win? Who do you think will win?
Put it down in the comments.
Put it in the comments below. Do you think soda's gonna win?
Yes.
Coffee's gonna win? Vinegar's gonna win? Or do you think orange juice is gonna win or water? Which one?
Soda!
Elisa's rooting for soda.
Soda.
Come on, keep writing so you can be done with this.
Does soda have bubbles and bubbles? Like
After this, we're gonna take a break before we really get started on our schooling and go to the store. I need to get some things. I am hungry. I went out yesterday and I didn't even go to the store. I was so tired and exhausted. So I didn't do it, but I gotta do it today. I wish I would have did it yesterday. Okay, and I didn't get the paper towels together. So let me get the paper towels together and then we're gonna take these solutions out. And then we're gonna put the new dirty pennies in there just so you can see it from start to finish.
I was scared when I heard that.
Okay, so let me move these pennies out the way.
When I heard that, I was like, oh my gosh, what is that? It scared me.
Oh, let's press the stop on the alarm for now. All right. And I gotta stick my hands in these solutions. Okay. So I'll set it here. This is the one for the soda.
Let me see.
Hold on. You wanna take it out? Take all 5 of them. Go on and stick your hands in that coffee. Go and stick your hands in there. It's cold coffee.
Oh no, I can't do it.
Come on, it's your science experiment.
Oh. I'll do it. No, I'm gonna do it. No, I'm just gonna do it.
I wish I had a glove. I don't think I have a glove anymore. Let me go check. Because you also dry your hands off. You can't mix the solutions. No gloves.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay,
Which one is this for? Water? You gotta put it there. Put the orange juice one here. You can't. You gotta put it in the right order. Dry your hands off good. Okay, good. I'll do the vinegar one because it's gonna. Your hands are gonna be smelling like vinegar all day. Ooh, vinegar did do a silent. It looks like. Ooh, let's smell my fingers. Go get the coffee one out. Come on. So we can put the next set of coins in there.
Naughty, I'm gonna have coffee.
Put it in there. Okay. So, hey, coffee didn't do that bad either. So, which ones look like they're the cleanest? It's hard too because some of them might have been darker pennies, but coffee looks pretty clean. Let's see, and you can't really go by the color of the copper because some has dark copper. So we'll just show you up front. So let's see. Here, you hold them in your hand and I'll make sure to put it in the palm of your hand.
Is this soda?
This is soda. Let's see. Okay. So soda looks pretty clean. We definitely know it was bubbling. It doesn't look dirty. It's a darker copper, but Be still. You gotta be still when you're doing this. Let me see. But it definitely looks clean. Let's hold it under the light. There is no dirt on here. And it feels really good.
Well, the pennies really feel good.
Okay. Sam, don't mix them up. Which one is the coffee one? Okay. Let's see. Go finish writing. Okay, so here goes the coffee penny. And I have to add, it looks really good. Like, really good. See that shine? No dirt. This is going to be hard. Because the ones you think are not going to, let's see. This one is vinegar. That one still looks like it's dirty to me a little bit.
So your prediction was?
My prediction was wrong.
Wait, mine was actually right?
I don't know because it looks like coffee is beating all of them. We'll test it again and see. But orange juice looks pretty good too. Let me see. Maybe it's the acid in the drinks, but you would think vinegar.
Whoa, wait.
Okay.
Acid?
I mean, everything has a little acid in it. Okay, and this is the water one.
The water has acid?
No, but water is a cleaning solution. Water's still a little dirty. Okay, so we're gonna do the test again.
Yeah, and show you the pennies. The dirty pennies first.
Okay, so.
This turned out to be a fail.
This one, I really want to test coffee, so I'm gonna put this one in the coffee. Let me show you. Just trying to get it to focus a little bit. Okay, so we're putting that one. Are you done writing?
Okay.
Elise, please stay focused. That's going in coffee. So we're really trying to navigate between coffee, orange juice, and vinegar. So I'm gonna try to pick, I'm gonna put that one in water. Trying to put the dirtiest ones. So this one is, oh, what was it? It was soda, coffee, and orange juice. That's the ones we're trying to rule out. This one, we're gonna put in soda. Did I put one in orange juice? Yeah. No, I didn't. Okay, so these two, this one I put in the orange juice, and this one I put in the vinegar. This one, orange juice. Wait a minute. Now I mix them up. Hold on. Okay. This one is going to go into orange juice. This one will go in vinegar. Vinegar, orange juice. Okay. So now, hit the timer again. Press start, the green start. So now the clock is set. Oh, it wasn't set for a full 10 minutes. We're going to set it for a full 10 minutes.
Aww.
You got to cancel. You keep writing.
Okay.
Because you got to finish that. Okay. So this is a fun experiment. We're going to do a lot of science experiments in the summer. And then one cool announcement that we are making is that we are excited because we are going to be starting our homeschool journey. And Elise has homeschooled before, and then we enrolled her in school, and now we have made a family decision to bring her home and homeschool her. Yay! And she is super excited, and so am I. We're gonna do some great fun learning. Definitely, I have already gotten my curriculum together. which will be predominantly doing timeforlearning.com. And then we have some really cool books that I am going to be incorporating, because she won't just be on the computer the whole time. But I'm excited because I have my teacher's planner that I get to map out the hours and the lessons and the time of her school hours. Our school is a real legal school, registered with the California School District. We are called Culverson Academy Homeschool, so I'm excited about that. And attendance and grade marking, and she already knows I am the for real deal. Like, I make sure she turns in excellent quality. I already told her, if you bomb an assignment, if it's Monday, I'll give you till Wednesday to correct it. If it's Friday, you got till Monday to correct it. If it's Wednesday, you got till Friday to correct it. So we're gonna make sure that we are doing great curriculum. But in the summer, we will be working a lot in this book, just to make sure that we're all caught up. I mean, she's been doing good. She hasn't fallen behind or anything, but just kind of brush up on her last second grade curriculum with games and puzzles with this Sylvan Learning. So it's a 3 books in 1: basic math, math games, puzzles, and math in action. So this is predominantly just a math book. And then I'm gonna get her a 2nd grade book for spelling, because we have the 3rd grade one. And then I will finish her out in the Time for Learning 2nd grade curriculum. We're going to continue to go through those lessons, especially because we were not able to do it. So we had to make sure that we were turning in her assignments for school so that she could finish the 2nd grade. So we didn't get a chance to really work in Time for Learning. So we will just finish out 2nd grade and for summer with Time for Learning as much as we can, and then I'll bump her up to 3rd grade because I already know she is just supplementing for the summer. Then for 3rd grade, we have this book called Evan Moore, Building Spelling Skills for grade 3, and I really wanted this. So every week your child will get spelling words for the week, and then you will use this for your spelling test curriculum, because I want to make sure that she is, you know, taking spelling tests every week just like she was in school. That is very important to me. I was going to show you a page in there. Okay, so it looks like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 words. And you can shorten it if you want to. It's up to you, because 15 words is a lot of words, but that's the spelling list. And then they have the activities. I'm not saying she's not going to get the 15 words, but then they have the activities for the week that coincide with the words for the week. So that's pretty cool. Then we have a vocabulary book. This is for grades 3 through 5. And this is McGraw-Hill Education. So it says, power up your vocabulary, explore 500 key vocabulary words. And this is just pretty much like an activity book. And then I'm excited about this because I want to make sure that we keep, this is a Christian school, so we want to make sure we keep and enhance the Bible lessons. And so this is cool. It's Route 66, a trip through the 66 books of the Bible. And there's tons of activities in here. It says include small group activities. So this is something I definitely could use even in my youth group. There's arts and crafts, puzzles, and worksheets, and more. So it just kind of goes through everything. Like, I'll show you. So here's like the map where you have to make sure you get through. This is your journey. Unit 1 has you going through an introduction of the 66 books. They talk about the lesson. So the first lesson is the adventure begins. The second lesson, lessons 2 through 5, is the law, where they take you through the Pentateuch. Lessons 6 through 12 is the history books. And then they have a bonus. So that's pretty cool. They have warm-up questions. The trip begins, looking ahead. And And here goes some activities where they're, so we would definitely be learning the books of the Bible, because I'm not gonna lie, I do not know the books of the Bible in order, and this would give us an opportunity to learn the Old Testament and New Testament. By the time we get done with this book, we will be knowing it, because back in the day they used to have Bible school. I can't remember, I wasn't a Christian then, but I hear a lot of stories about how they had Bible school, OBT or something like that. Old school Christians know, and they used to know. They did Bible drills, so they knew all the books of the Bible. So I will be able to incorporate this at home and in my youth ministry. Okay, and they have like questionnaire, how many chapters are in the book of Genesis, so you really will be learning the word. So I'm excited about this book. Crossword puzzles, arts and crafts, and more. So all of these books I got from Amazon, except for my teacher planner. I got this from the Happy Planner. So I'm excited about that. Teacher's Gonna Teach. I can map out my monthly goals, to-dos this month. Look at that. It's a very nice book. Map out the subjects and what has to be done each day of the week.
Mama, do what you want.
Let today be the start of something new. Did you finish writing all the stuff for the science? Okay.
Stuff for the science.
On the paper.
Stuff for
Okay. So, and this is an undated one because I didn't want anything dated. I wanted to date it myself just so I can get the most out of the planner. And this planner did not come with stickers or anything like that, but I got tons of Happy Planner supplies, okay? So let's come back over here to our station. We have 2 minutes and 4 seconds. So out of these pennies, I would have to say that I actually think coffee did the best. But it's hard to tell because soda looks really good too. And so does orange juice. Doesn't orange juice look really good?
But it looks orange.
It does kind of look orange. What? Don't.
I can't
so
see the thing of it.
We will have to let them know soda, coffee, and orange juice. But we will really get to see with these pennies that we just are placing, that we just placed in here. Because I felt kind of blindsided. I didn't really see the pennies that Elise placed in there. But now that we're doing the second round, we all have seen what these pennies look like. So I'm excited. We got 1 minute and 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please go write your name on your paper.
Okay.
Thank you. You always want to start your homework, any schoolwork, projects by first placing your name, okay? Because no one can identify who the work is from if we do not know your name is on the paper, okay?
Okay.
So we're down to 38 seconds. What you have to say?
Mommy, why do they have the ice cubes there?
Because maybe somebody used ice cubes. I don't know.
From the last, they should have put
yeah,
pennies and then a drink.
They should have put pennies in the drink on there.
They should have put a dirty penny and then a clean penny.
Write your name. Neat. We're down to 15 seconds.
13.
We'll count down at 10.
11.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Alrighty. So let's take him out. Happy New Year. We won't need to use this anymore, so we don't have
Happy New Year.
Okay. So. Ooh, that did pretty good, huh? You remember how that one looked kind of tarnished? But it did clean pretty good. Okay.
I'm going to dig in.
You gonna do all the other ones? Okay, good. Okay, put it there. Let me see. Cancel. Ooh, let me see. Water is pretty good. But we can't say water is really good because we use kind of like cleaner pennies for them. The ones that have the most ugly pennies was orange juice, coffee. Put it down below, please. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands too. Okay. So orange juice did okay. It's pretty shiny. It's pretty consistent. And then we got coffee. Down below. Well, it was pretty dirty. Remember, these were the dirtiest pennies. So I think that was it. I'm gonna say soda did the best. It did. Yeah, it did. Soda definitely did the best.
I think vinegar did the best.
No, vinegar didn't, because I put the dirtier. And coffee was surprisingly good. So put vinegar and coffee. I mean soda and coffee, excuse me. Soda and coffee did the best. They had the dirtiest pennies. And it removed some of the tarnish as well. So it's fun. You can pick any liquids that you want to pick. These are the ones that Elise selected. So
draw them new.
Yeah, draw them new. So that's a pretty fun experiment, okay? So we thank you for taking the time to join us on this experiment. Now she's going to fill out her hypothesis paper and get that all done, and this is going to be fun to edit and put up there. We were surprised. Coffee is a great cleaner. And she was right about soda. So, and we saw soda bubbling, so we knew it was doing some great things in there. But coffee is really a surprise, okay? So thank you for taking this time to do fun science with us. Weird science. Weird science.
Kids.
Remember, I'm Barika.
And I'm Elise.
And this is the Sweet Life with the 3 Cups of Tears.
And now that's sweet.
And now that's sweet, okay? Daddy is at work, so he couldn't join us today. But you did, and we are so grateful that you did. Again, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. And hit the little bell notification, because that is the way YouTube works. If you want to join us for some more fun and adventures, you must do that. And if you have fun with us, please click the like button, because that is the way that you can encourage us. And thank you to all of the wonderful people who have subscribed to us. Today we hit a wonderful milestone of 170 subscribers. We've been doing this a little bit over a year, so we are just really grateful to you all, okay? We love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. Remember, the sweet life is the right life, and we'll see you real soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello, Sweet Life family. 1, 2, 3. Hello, Sweet Life. You gotta say hello, Sweet Life family. 1, 2, 3.